Luna, a small stray cat, lived near a busy road. One day, she saw a puppy stuck in a drain, crying for help. Despite her fear, Luna jumped in, using his tiny paws to dig and push until the puppy was free. The grateful puppy licked her face, and soon people gathered, amazed by her bravery. A kind woman watching the whole thing decided to adopt Luna, giving her a warm home forever. Would you adopt a brave little hero like Luna? Comment yes if you would. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more heartwarming stories.